The Employability Skills Experience is designed to help current students develop their skills and explore career options
through a series of practical workshops. These explored the impact of diverse real-world topics on future careers from global perspectives. Co-designed by current students and the University of London Careers Service, with the input of our network of alumni and employers, students participating developed key employability skills and labour market knowledge to help them thrive in their future careers. In our pilot year, we welcomed 71 students from 13 countries spanning across 4 continents, representing 17 different qualifications and all career stages.
The students had a great time, with 82% saying the experience was an interesting and relevant one and that they'd recommend it to another student. 86% said that the AI CV activity helped them, and 97% said the whole experience was well organised. Now you can hear it from the students themselves.
It's been quite a great experience for me as well. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
This pilot was such a success. We look forward to welcoming more students to our employability skills experiences.